Hey, what is up everybody, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today we're talking about something that is really frustrating for us dropshippers, and what is that? Is the shipping time. So if you are a dropshipper right now, or if you have been a dropshipper, or if you're just starting to look at dropshipping itself, what you essentially will experience is long shipping times. So most of these suppliers ship directly from overseas, so China, Taiwan, or countries around that area. So Asia is like the center of all these suppliers. So what you usually are gonna experience is at least 2 to 4 weeks shipping time, and in some rare cases it's gonna be even longer than that, so 4, 5, 6, 7 or even 8 weeks shipping time before the product actually arrives to your customers. But why is this a problem for you as a dropshipper? Well, the obvious reason is that most of your customers will actually be frustrated that their product is not arriving. Like, I'm used to shopping on Amazon and my product arrives the next day. So most of your customers will be really frustrated, and they will start contacting your company mail, and they will start complaining. They will just ask all these questions, and you will have to answer them. Otherwise, they're gonna complain on your Facebook page. They're gonna leave bad reviews, and these are the things you want to avoid at all cost. You want this person to shop at your store again, and if you want to build a long-term relationship with these people, you want to make sure that your customer support is top notch. So how do you go ahead and pick suppliers that have fast shipping? Well, most people would go ahead and go for e-packet shipping. E-packet shipping essentially is usually between 12 to 20 days shipping, and that is business days, so about around 2 to 3 weeks shipping, and that is still a very long time before a product arrives to a customer. And let's say you want to start selling right now, and it's just a few weeks from Christmas, it's 2 weeks until Christmas. You're not gonna have any chance for your product to arrive before Christmas if you choose e-packet. So what you can do, and what the solution basically is go on Aliexpress, as you usually do, and search for the product you want to sell. So I want to sell makeup. Just search for the product you want to sell and select the category right here. And what you want to pick is United States. If you're selling your products within the United States to people in the US, pick from the United States. It's that easy. Then fill in free shipping, and all these products right here are products that are sent from the US, and it's gonna take 4, 5, 7 days before your product actually arrives to your customers. And you're kind of competing with Amazon at this point. Amazon is still gonna be faster, but essentially what you have is a product that will arrive at least within a week. And that is what you essentially want to aim for, to make sure that your customers are satisfied. And most of the US shipping also have a functioning tracking code, so that your customers can track their package. When you go with e-packet, most of the tracking numbers are either not gonna work, or they are gonna be delayed in updating the tracking information. And the tracking information from most of the US carriers are modern, and they actually track the package very well. So go ahead, pick free shipping, and from the United States. You can go without picking free shipping, but you'll most of the time pay a lot of money for the shipping. But let's look at this product right here. So this product right here is shipping from the United States or China, depending on where you want the product to ship from. And the shipping is free, and it's gonna take 4 to 7 days before the product arrives, which is great, alright? But what happens if someone buys a product, let's say for example in Canada? Well, the logical reason would be, well, I can just pick United States, it's closer to Canada. China is much farther away, right? Well, most of these suppliers don't allow you to ship outside the US if you actually pick like the United States warehouse. All right, so what you will have to do is go for the Chinese option, and the shipping is gonna be, as usual, pretty long, so 59 days for this one. So I would recommend you to target people in your advertising. So target United States people on the products that you actually have fast shipping on, and in the product description also make sure to mention we ship from the US and also the shipping time, because that is a good selling point for your products as well, and that is gonna give people another reason to buy the product. Oh, the shipping was fast. Oh, it ships from the United States. It's creating a lot of jobs. Whatever thought people have in their head when they're buying your product, that essentially is gonna make sure that your conversion rate is actually higher. So make sure to mention it. If you're a dropshipper, you probably know about DHgate as well. So DHgate is essentially the same thing as Aliexpress. DHgate is mostly targeted towards wholesale, but they also have some dropshipping options on there. So if you go on DHgate directly and click on 2 to 5 days shipping, you get the option to pick from the US or the UK. So if you pick the UK, the product is gonna send within the UK, and that is gonna be the best option if you're selling your product to people in the UK. But let's go with the United States. Let's say we sell health and beauty as well. This product right here is a good product. You can buy one. You can pick pink, and it's gonna be free shipping as well. So that is essentially how you find suppliers that have fast shipping. And just to give you another reason to pick fast suppliers or fast shipping options, is that Facebook have recently implemented a function where customers who come from your Facebook ads that buy your product, they will get a notification on Facebook about your company, and people have the option to give a review on their experience. And this usually happens within a few weeks after they purchase your product. And if your product haven't arrived yet when they get the notification, they will probably make sure to click that your shipping time was awful. And why is this a problem? Facebook is essentially trying to make sure that most of the advertisers on Facebook actually are good companies. They offer a good customer support, they offer good shipping times, and the product itself is actually good and it's not a scam. And if a lot of your customers will start complaining to Facebook that your website is a scam because their product hasn't arrived, what will happen is that Facebook can suspend your ad account, and they can also remove your whole page on Facebook. So make sure that you take care of your customers and make sure that you find suppliers that have fast shipping. It's essentially the most important thing in dropshipping if you want to make sure to build a website that you can work on for a long time. If you're just trying to set up a store and do like something for fast money, just make money like a month and then close the store, well, you can go ahead and pick the fast shipping. But if you want to build a brand around your dropshipping store, go for suppliers that actually have good reviews, fast shipping, and high quality products. That is gonna be it for this video. If you learned something new, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos on Shopify, dropshipping, also stocks, entrepreneurship, and cryptocurrencies, and I will see you guys in the very next video.